At this point, there is no information on the S23 Ultra that is hidden anymore. In our previous videos, we've talked about a bunch of info on the S23 series launching just in 2 days, from the cameras to the screens to the color and price, and you can check the channel for all this info. I can't seem to get enough of the S23 Ultra. A leaked photo from the S23 Ultra shows the prowess of the 200 megapixel sensor on its back. Believe it or not, this is a zoomed in photo shot on the S23 Ultra, and as you can see, it looks damn good. This was uploaded on Twitter, and even after all compressions, it still retains a ton of details. The colors seem awesome and the dynamic range is spot on. The 200 megapixel camera makes the 3x telephoto zoom camera seem like a joke. Just can't wait to see the S23 Ultra in action. At this point, I don't think Samsung can go any further on the megapixel count. Guys, let me know of your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back when I find something new.